To integrate Revolut webhooks effectively, start by understanding what webhooks are and how they work. Webhooks are essentially callbacks made by Revolut to your server, notifying you of specific events such as payments or account updates. The first step is to set up a webhook endpoint on your server, which is a URL that can receive these callbacks. When setting up your endpoint, ensure it is secure, using HTTPS to encrypt data transmitted between Revolut and your server. This is crucial for protecting sensitive information. Additionally, make sure your endpoint can handle HTTP POST requests, as this is the method Revolut uses to send webhook notifications. Next, register your webhook endpoint with Revolut. This involves providing them with your endpoint URL and specifying the types of events you want to receive notifications for. Revolut will then send a verification request to your endpoint, which you must respond to in order to confirm that you control the endpoint. Once your webhook endpoint is set up and registered, you need to handle incoming webhook notifications. This involves verifying the authenticity of the request, parsing the event data, and taking the appropriate action based on the event type. For example, if you receive a payment notification, you might update the order status in your database. A key best practice is to verify the authenticity of each webhook request. Revolut signs each request with a secret key, which you can use to verify that the request came from Revolut and not from an imposter. You should also implement idempotence, which means handling duplicate requests in a way that ensures the same action is only taken once. Another important best practice is to handle failures and errors. If your server is down or your endpoint fails to process a request, Revolut will retry the notification. However, if your endpoint continues to fail, Revolut may stop sending notifications. To avoid this, implement a retry mechanism and monitor your endpoint for errors. Finally, test your webhook integration thoroughly to ensure it works as expected. Test different event types. Verify that your endpoint is receiving notifications correctly, and check that your server is handling requests correctly. By following these best practices and understanding how Revolut webhooks work, you can build a reliable and efficient integration that enhances your application's functionality and user experience.